Welcome back, guys. This is another video. Is about make money online by watching videos. This is a main part of this video. There's a secondary that you can complete offers and make money from that, or complete surveys that you can make money from that, or playing games that you can make money from that. So this website that allow you to make money by doing searching on internet, watching videos, playing games, completing offers, completing surveys. Also, you get paid when you refer a friend, and you get paid in PayPal or gift card. So before that, if you really like my video, subscribe, like and share. Also, don't forget to click that little like button on the bottom of the video, that you can show your support by liking my video, guys. So in this video website, sign up process is very simple. When you sign up, it will take to this page where you can do various of tasks and you can earn money from that. If you click this section called top users, these are the people are earning these kind of points. Those points are making money every single day. Then there is a section called play games. When you click that, it will open all the games that you can play here. So basically what is allow you to do, when you finish every single game, they will add points. So these games, I don't like those, but I like this game called puzzle games. You can find that, I can find it out here, this one, jigsaw puzzle. So for example, if you click that, it will open to this page where you can complete a game. So basically, if you click play button, there's an ad will play for 6 to 10 seconds. That's how you can make money. When your ad played, you can make money. Then once the ad is played, it will show in a picture. Then you need to assemble the picture in the puzzle. That's a puzzle. So this is the picture. Then you can select the difficulty. If you select easy, then it will break down the picture into puzzle. Then you can complete the puzzles within the time, and you get paid in points. When those points add up here, then when you have enough points, then you can withdraw that points. So this is the first section, and this second section is called answers and survey. These are the part belong to this website. Basically, you can answer the survey and you can get these points into your account immediately. And if see that these it's gonna take 25 minutes, but you can finish this survey within 5 to 6 minutes and you can get these points. Also, there's a called feature survey section where you can join with other survey partners and you can earn money from that too. But if you don't want to join them, you can complete the surveys available on this website. There's a third section is called completing offers. See, these points are ask you to create an account or just pay for initial fee, something like that. Each sign up, they're gonna pay you 384 points. You can see earn reward using the internet, start earning now, sign up, install the app and send your first log of data. So for example, this is a Nielsen platform. Basically, they buy data from you. So when you sign up, install app and send the first log of data, you're gonna get 1632 points from that, something like that. So every offer, they upload more offers every single day. Go there and complete the offers and you get paid for that. And before I show you how you can watch and earn money from that, you have to remember that this account gonna last 60 days. If you sign up and you don't do anything within 60 days, your account will be terminated and you're gonna lose all the points that you earn. So do it every single day, because they upload offers, games and videos every single day. So you can go and earn while you're wasting time on Netflix, or you can use it on a mobile phone while you're traveling. You can use this app to complete surveys and earn points, guys. So finally we arrived called watch videos. So if you click that, you need to watch the video continuously, how you can make money from that. Again, this website, you need to sign up to Hideout TV, or there's another section called HyperMax Video. This section won't work for if you are living in UK, but Hideout TV work fine. So each video you watch, you're gonna get 2 points. Okay, so when you click click the Hideout TV, it will ask you to log into your account. So you need to create an account with Hideout TV. Once you did that, you can sign in and your video start to play. Again, remember that when there's an advertisement played in the video, you get paid for that. If there's no advertisement and you are not going to pay for that, it's because I check it out and this is how this system works. So when you start to play the video, and you need to go to the section called reward in the bottom of the video. So if I go there, this video doesn't have any advertisement. I don't think so. I won't have a points to. I don't have any points, but I click the redeem and it will take you to the Hideout TV redeem process, where you can see I have the second website also linked here. This is the first website I'm using right now. So what is basically, you need to start redeem the process. So once you earn points by watching video on Hideout TV, then you need to transfer the points to their website you wanted. So you can transfer one of either websites. So I'm going to transfer the first website which I am reviewing right now. So start clicking start redeem the points. Hideout TV 9 points. You need maximum 9 points to redeem that. So I need to select an account. I select my account I want. The 9 Hideout TV points is equal to 2 points on this website. Is the same value but different point numbers. Okay, then click redeem balance. It will automatically add the points into your account, and you can see click continue. This process done. Click and refresh this page and you can see the points is added automatically. I believe maybe it take time, but sometimes it will add it automatically. So I can see the points at the moment. Okay, I can go and check it out. Okay, the points is not added right now, but it take a while to add these points. Again, this is how you can make money by watching videos, guys. Alright guys, this is how you can make money from that. And the other section here, there's a section called referred friend, and if you can reward the friends, you can get these points. And you can, if you how much you can earn for the Facebook reward or Twitter or email, you can get between 100 to 500 points for that. Now if I click a reward section, it will take the reward store. It will take to this page where you can reward. If you are living in United States, you can get it in gift card or PayPal. Okay, but if you are living other than United States or Canada, you need only able to get that money from PayPal. So if you click this one, for the $20 PayPal, you need to have 12,000 points. For the $50 PayPal payout, you need to have 30,000 points. Again, you can see completing offers and watching video, you can get half of the points, and within 2 days you can withdraw $20 if you are dedicated time to do that. Okay, if you play one video game or watch one videos and doing one survey, and don't expect to withdraw that money. Again, I want to replace your 9 to 5 job. It is not an automatic source of income. You need to spend and you exchanging time for the money. But instead of you wasting time on Netflix or playing video games, you can do that in side income. Imagine that you're able to earn like $20 every single day, but in a month you can earn up to 600 if it's possible, or you can earn between 200 to 300 if it's possible, because I'm sharing the own experience and own knowledge, guys. Some other YouTube videos, they said you can earn 600 by doing that. You're never going to make that. It is possible, but if there is no offers available, you can't achieve that. Otherwise, you can make a side income. Imagine that you making money from a couple of websites like that. You can have this is not a passive income, but this is a secondary income that you can invest in your future business, guys. So thanks guys for watching my videos. Subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click the little like button in the bottom of the video. See you in the next one, guys.